mighty. It's getting really high. See through liquor again? You like this video right here? Close your eyes.
Ladies and gentlemen, live in this motherfucker. Oh shit. My nigga Freddie Boo, liquor. I'm preoccupied, went straight falling. Can you hear liquor calling? I'm sick of those niggas, so come on, baby. Never days, I play the day. Yesterday, nigga, till I see my time day. I'm preoccupied, went straight falling. Can you hear liquor calling? I'm sick of those niggas, so come on, baby. Never days, I play the day. Yesterday, nigga, till I see my time day. Late night. Straight motherfucking baller.
Here we go, Nancy. I believe this was the Belly's fantasy home. We're just approaching. Yeah, it's absolutely delightful. In it. So we could get our heads chopped off with some chainsaw wielding maniac in here, Nancy. Look at the state of it. Hillbillies are us. Good God. A chair and mattress combo. Well, that could have been a chaise lounge. Fucking grief, Nancy. Dark and demented in this little garage or whatever it is. See if we can get in his house. Not a lot left of it. Fucking drug cunts everywhere. So let's go around the back, Nancy. Like a Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Probably be fucking killed by the time we get round this corner. Good state of it. There's the chairman's chair, Nancy. Very old plastic one. God. That's the veranda. Around here. Another fucking lot. Ah, steps, Nancy. Steps into the locked door. And fucking state of it, Nancy. We're going to be able to explore in there much. It's in here. Fucking shit house.
This is the
Cool.
toilet. Here is the baño. Hay fuchi.
There's old Mac's computer chair. It's an impenetrable fucking fortress, Nancy. An impenetrable fortress. Steak and chips. .com. There's the old pond, Nancy. Got a big koi carp in there, Nancy. You're loving it. There's loads of fucking geckos around here, Nancy.
Yeah.
In between all the fucking heroin bottles. Good fucking God. Sound like a fucking snake in there, Nancy. Wow. Two gates. Fully locked up, Nancy. Probably stop people going in there, because that don't look too safe in there, Nancy. Good God. Like being in Brazil, Nancy, isn't it? Look at the view. Homie. That's the way in, Nancy. In I go. Adios, putas.
Good evening, Nancy. How you doing?
See,
I've just been exploring this abandoned shell, Nancy.
here is one of your previous mansions.
It's a bit like Machiavelli's mouldy room. Yeah. It reminds me of Machiavelli's mouldy room. Wow. There's plenty of fucking loose floorboards. But no fucking floorboards. We got one going upstairs. It looks a bit fucking precarious. Oh, God. Anyway, we got a ladron de manzanas cider.
See, manzana
A
cider.
red one. See if you can find these, Mac. Fucking absolutely delicious and nutritious. Oh, no. What? I have to move it downstairs. It's fucking sweat filled my face.
See,
Just hung over here. To be fair. Anyway, cheers.
salud, amiguito.
Look at the fucking teeth back, man. Anyway, shout out to Machiavelli. Shout out to Machiavelli for what money. You guys fucking sound. There's nothing in here. Not really. Not like something across there. Shout out Davey Boy. Shout out to British Bear Dude Nancy. Texas Walker Smith. Shout out to this fucking mouldy room. Oh. Shout out to the 50 geckos in them fucking bushes out there. We thought I was food, Nancy. That's what we did. We thought I was food. No, nearly went there, Nancy. Nearly went. Nancy, check out the motherfucking view. It's like fucking Brazil. Cheers. Well, it's our last day today in Tenerife, Nancy. And what a fucking shithole it is. It really is. Yeah. It's so hot. My face is falling down. Yeah. So fucking hot, my face is falling down. So we went to a castle, Nancy. It was all boarded up. Fucking barbed wire everywhere. There's no way to get in it whatsoever. Yeah. What's up here, Nancy? When we went, where did we go? And we couldn't get in there, Nancy. Some fucking college or something. Couldn't get in there either. What a fucking joke. All boarded up, fucking barbed wire. So we had to come here. Who's that cunt? So yeah, we had to make do with this place. In it.
See?
Shout out to Belly. Pantaloons of shit. Yeah. Shout out to them.
Quasimodito.
Shout out to fucking roast chicken, auntie.
Roast chicken.
Roast chicken. Jalapeno.
Jalapeño.
And his fucking baby gherkin.
Gherkins.
Not a lot down there. It's a thin bits of wood. We're probably not advisable to climb across that. 1.590. Little tiny Metal Man fucking bottle. 250 milliliters. But delicious. And very good.
It's like a juice, no? Like a juice with alcohol.
That's right. Anyway. I've been me. You've been you. This seems to be coming down off my lip. This is the Moldy Room Part 2. Until next time, Nancy. That's if we get home, because there's a swarm of fucking lizards. Little gecko cunts out there. I've been me. And you've been you. And I've got to get over here somehow. Water!
How many drinkers drink more liquor on the streets? Drinking peace, you be drinkers. There's some beer for the cheap. Be a lie if I told you better, never for the death. Freddy Krueger could be the last one left.